There's a beautiful hadith that states, when you give charity, sadaqah, on behalf of a dead person. If you have a loved one, a family member who died, give sadaqah on his behalf. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends Jibreel, the great angel. He sends Jibreel with 70,000 angels. They take your sadaqah in the form of barzakh gifts. He descends, the angels descend on the soul of the deceased, and they give your hadiyah, the sadaqah you gave on behalf of the dead, they give it to the dead person. Jibreel with 70,000 angels delivers your hadiyah. Imagine what that does to the dead person. How happy they become. The reward that they get. So don't ever forget the dead, my dear brothers and sisters. The most powerful thing is sadaqah, to give charity on behalf of the dead. Number 2, salah. The Prophet says, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, لَرَكْعَتَيْنِ مِمَّا تَحْتَقِرُونَ. 2 rak'ahs which you belittle. Belittle 2 rak'ahs. What's the value of it? We don't really know the value of it. We don't appreciate it. The Prophet says, خَيْرٌ لَهُمْ, the dead people, مِمَّا طَلَعَتْ عَلَيْهِ الشَّمْسِ. The Prophet says 2 rak'ahs that you give to the dead is better for them than the universe. Than what the sun shines upon. So that's the believers in the grave. And we have many, many things that will make the qabr and the grave for you a very smooth process. One of them is birr al-walidain, being good to your parents. One of them is the ziyarah of the Ahlul Bayt, peace be upon them. Visiting the Imams of Ahlul Bayt, they come back in your grave and they visit you. That's a promise from the Imams. If you've visited the Imam 10 times, the Imam pays back. Because the Imam is generous. You know, in many cultures, if you visit someone, they come and they visit you back. Well, if you visited the Imams, you've visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they will come in your grave and they'll visit you back.
Hayda,